Hi everybody, welcome to week 2, module 2 out of 8 in this 8-week session. This week we're going to be looking at trait and behavior leadership theories. So as we move through the course, each module is going to look at a group of different theories about leadership. So leadership has been studied for a long time, and the focus has shifted as we have more data, as we've done more research, we've gathered and analyzed more data. Initially we thought that great leaders were born and you just had to look through the population and find them. Then we evolved to the point where we said, okay, we can train people to be effective leaders, but what should we train them on? What's important? What makes a great leader? And this week we'll look at theories about that try to understand which specific traits or behaviors lead to effective leadership behaviors. Okay, so this is the first week you're going to be working with the Leadership Approaches Matrix. So I have an example here that hopefully you can see. So here's the matrix, and here's one example of the matrix filled in. Okay, so almost every week, you'll be working on and putting in entries like this example about path-goal theory. So this week, you're going to be asked to do one matrix entry. Pick one of the trait approaches from your reading. Pick one of the behavioral approaches from your reading. And you will be able to create this document once and then keep adding to it as we move throughout the semester. So the example is always going to be the same. Then you'll add in your trait and your behavior approach. I'll give you feedback on those. Then the next assignment will be for a different leadership theory. So let me know if you have any questions about that. But that's making sure that you understand the theories and are able to apply them to specific situations. And so your other assignment for this week is a discussion board about a case study video. So here is the video that you're going to be looking at. And then here's the assignment. So view that Dave Lyons case study video, learn about task and relationship behaviors, and answer these questions. What do you see as Dave Lyons' leadership traits? What do you think of his approach? Is he relationship-oriented, task-oriented, and why? Would you consider yourself to be more relationship or task-oriented? And then also the rubric for the discussions up here where there's 3 dots, you can open that up to show the rubric. And so the discussion board, your initial response gets assessed, and then your replies get assessed. So remember, try to post your initial post by Wednesday at midnight so the other members of the class have the ability to respond. So that's what we have for week 2. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be providing feedback on your first week's work early this week.